Welcome to the assignment number 7 and problem number 9. Given two numbers represented by two lists, linked list, write a function that returns sum list. That means if the numbers that are given us are represented by linked list, like for example, if we see here the number is 10234, so we have to we have to represent it as in nodes like 1 0 2 and 3 and 4. Like this we are going to represent these numbers. So what we are going to return means we have to return the sum 390. We have to return the sum. To get this sum, what is our approach here to is, first of all, but if we use the brute force method, we have to sum from the, we have to, by adding these two, we have to move backwards. So it is going to be an order of n square time complexity. So what we are here approaching means we have to reverse the given number, and then we will add that number, and we will get the resulted output, and we will reverse it again to get the actual output. What is that means? If we see, we have given the number in 12034. Here if we see, that is we're going to reverse it first, like 4 3 2 0 and 1. Then the number second one is we are going to reverse it, 4 2 and 1. If we add this, we will get 8 5 and 2 1 3 and 0 and 1. If we reverse it, then we will get 1 0 3 5 8. That means the result value of this output. So if by using this code, let's see how to solve this problem by using this code. First of all, for example, if we take this example, then let's see, by using this code we can solve this thing. So if the given number is 10234, then we are going, and 124, then we are going to reverse this by using this reverse function. This is the function insert at a head. That means this function is going to use, like, the given number, it will represent into insert the head. Like, means if we have to insert the new head, we will use this insert at head method. So reverse at method means we are, first of all, we are taking one linked list node h, and then we are going to take new head as null, and then if the new given head node is not equal to null, then we will remove that link. And before remove that, if we see, before, if this is the value, what we are going to means, we have to remove this link and save this link into the h next. H is going to be, this is the head and this is h next. So what we're doing means, we have to save this h into the temporary value, and this will become h, and then this temporary value becomes h next. We are going to insert this h into the next value. So like that, we are by using this function, we are going to reverse the number. Then we will, first of all, we will reverse these two numbers by using this function. Then we are going to use the add two numbers function to add the actual numbers. So once we are reversed these numbers, we have gotten the a linked list like 432 and 1 and 4 and 2 3. So we are reversed these two numbers, and then what we are going to see means we are going to take node as a result list, and then we are going to take two variables, sum and carry. We, for what we have taking these two means we will explain following. So this we are taking while condition. If h is, let's take this is h1 and this is h2. If h1 is not equal to 0 and h2 is not equal to 0, then we are entering into the loop. We are initiating with the sum is equal to carry, because initially the sum is 0 and carry is equal, they are both equal. Then we have, if h1 is not equal to null and then sum plus h1, that means 4 plus sum data, h1 data, this one, and the sum value is going to be 4. We're going to add these two numbers. If h1 is not equal to 0, h2 is not equal to, sum is going to be 4 plus h1 plus h2, that means 8. It is going to check the sum value by 10, that means 8 by 10, the result is the carry is 0 and the sum value is going to be 8. It is going to save this data into this result list node. Now the result list node is 8. Then again it will check whether the h1 is not equal to null and h2 is not equal to, then it will move forwards. h1 comes here, h2 node come here, and it will add both these two, and that will the result node is going to add one more node, 5. 3 plus 2 equal to 5 plus carry plus means 0 is going to be 5. Here we see again 2 plus 1, 3, and it is going to be check the node, and here 0 and 1. If some numbers like 99 plus 25 has extra nodes, it is going to be extra nodes than given input nodes, like 124, it is going to be extra node. So for this condition checks, if we add this 9 plus 2 plus, we will get first if we add 9 plus 5, we will get 14. So this is going to be the carry. 9 plus 3 is going to be 12. We got extra node here. It will check this part, like if carry is not equal to 0, if we come out of this loop, if carry is not equal to 0, it is going to add that node to the result list and it will return that result list finally. So that is the code for this one, this purpose. Then we will finally return this result list. So if we see, we are using only one loop, so the time complexity here is order of n. So this is my approach to solve this solution.